Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BPF Collection, Bad Vibes Ever Collection, bringing you a nice little unboxing and unwrapping video. Today we got ourselves a friends and family sample ? Hoodie, only given out to those associated to the late rapper Xxxtentacion. Also, you can check out the location, Parkland, Florida. You already know the vibes. With all that said and done, we got ourselves a little Amazon packaging. Let's go ahead and rip this bad boy open. We might need the coin claw, but maybe not. Actually, yeah, let's go ahead and coin claw it out. Just don't want to damage the goods, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Very tape. Ginormous label, by the way. Talk about freaking making sure it's known that it's mine. Or that there's a label on it. Oh, okay. Ripped right here. Oh, okay, pack here. We're good. We can just do this. Hey, I could just, yeah, screw the coin claw. Didn't even need to show the label or black it out. Just did this. Well, at least I was able to show the Parkland, Florida part. Anyways. There's the black hoodie. Pull this out so it doesn't mess with the hoodie itself. Let's see how he's folded it. With the question mark perfect. Look at that. Wow. I can't believe I got this thing. It sat for 5 months and no one bought it. Open it up. There's that rainbow holographic coming in hot. Okay, here's the sleeve text. Let me make it nice and flat for y'all. I can't believe I own 2 of these friends and family samples. And then you already know the tag. We got the medium. Let's check the inside, how soft it is. Still very soft. I like it a lot. Look at that rainbow. Like right here. That's sick. Let's go ahead and check out the back. Now, it wasn't included with the back photo, but I already knew. It had this on it. The highest quality going down art. Wow. Wow. With the press pass right there too. Oh, not as jazzed as like when I first got it the first time around, because, you know, I already had one, but this one's in way better condition. Let's go. Very happy, very nice. I still can't believe it sat for 5 months. 5 months. And no one even knew. Well, that's pretty much all for this unwrapping video, unboxing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe and consider commenting if you did want to comment anything. And yeah, with all that said and done, have a great day.